Well, friendship is such a blessing for all of us. Don't you all agree with me? I know you all do. And because we have so many friends, don't you think there should be different words to sort of associate with your friendship? Or don't you think there should be different words to describe your friendship? Well, definitely there should be, and we should learn them so that we can use them in our daily life and associate them with our lovely, amazing friends who form such an important part of our life. After all, every friend is important, don't you agree? Well, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's go ahead and learn about 10 different words to describe your best friends. Lovely, we would just love it. Let's go ahead. Loyal. Don't you expect your friend to be loyal? Or don't you think it is such an amazing adjective, such an amazing word to associate with your friends? Well, if you have had friends who have been really loyal with you, who have been with you throughout your thick and thin, definitely loyal is the right word to associate with them. And I'm sure it is going to give your friend an amazing, abundant happiness. I mean, if you happen to associate this word with your friend, it definitely is going to give him or her abundant happiness. So do use it. Okay, the next one is non-judgmental. Don't you think in friendship it is really important that you don't judge your friends? Because it is only then that your friend will open up completely with you, or your friend will feel like sharing everything with you. It can only happen if you don't happen to judge your friends or don't happen to judge anybody around. So non-judgmental is yet another word to associate with your friend who you think definitely doesn't judge you at all, no matter what you share with him or her, but that person is not going to judge you any day, anytime. So this again is an important, I mean, it's a glorious trait to have if you have a friend who is non-judgmental, and it is really a blessing to have a friend who doesn't judge you. So again, an amazing and a beautiful word to associate with your friend. Honest. Well, we all love honesty, don't we? We definitely feel hurt when we get to know that a person who is very close to you lied to you, don't you think so? Well, yes, we do. And honesty is yet another amazing trait and amazing character to have in your friend. And if you have it, you are really blessed. And if you really have such a person, well, then use this word for them, because it is really going to give them so much happiness. Supportive. Well, again, a very, very important character of friendship, a very, very important requirement of friendship is being supportive, right? So unless and until you are supportive, unless and until your friend is supportive, definitely, that friendship cannot last long. If the person is not supportive, it cannot last long. So if you really want your friendship to last long, and if you want that to sort of exist for the entire lifetime and many more to come, well, then being supportive is really, really needed. And if you have such a person, well, use this adjective for them. Easygoing, fun-loving. Well, we all love to have friends who are easygoing so that we can have fun, we can enjoy with them, we can have some light moments with them so that it is sort of relaxing for all of us. So this is yet another amazing trait to have in your friend, and this is an amazing word to describe such a trait. So if you have a fun-loving friend with whom you can have a blast of a time, well, then go ahead and use this word for them. Understanding, of course, very, very much needed in your friendship. Definitely, for you to have a successful friendship, definitely understanding. Your friend has to be understanding. Otherwise, you will not be able to share everything with that person. So if you know such a person, or if you're lucky enough to have such a friend, well, use this word. Adventurous. Yes, it is so much a part of our life. Fun is so much a part of our life, and it is so much a part of friendship. Don't we all love to go on adventurous trips with our friends? Well, yes, and if you have such group of friends who are like very, very adventurous and fun loving and just love to go and explore the world, well, this is the right word to associate with them. Use it, and definitely it will describe them in the best way possible. Hilarious. Wow, it is such amazing fun to have a person who is hilarious and can just make you laugh. I mean, they can just make you laugh, and they can make you rolling on the floor laughing. So if you have such friends around you, well, blessed you are, my dear. Use this word for them, because this exactly describes those people who can make you laugh till your stomach starts to ache, and it is lovely to have them around. Caring, of course. Caring is yet another very, very important trait of friendship, and if you happen to have a caring friend, well, your life is complete. Last but not the least, having covered everything, if you happen to have a friend who inspires you, and if this is another trait which is there in your friendship, it is complete. Believe me, trust me, life is complete if you have a friend who has all these 10 traits, or if you have many friends who have such 10 traits, who have all these 10 traits, well then, blessed are you, and definitely your life is complete, your life is amazing, it is blessed, it is full of fun, and it is great. So if your friend happens to inspire you, well, yet your life will definitely be amazing. So inspiring, if any person or any friend who happens to inspire you to give your best shot in anything, well then this is the right word for such a person. And I'm sure all these traits will definitely help you a lot to describe your friendship, or to describe those people who are friends with you and have such traits in them. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorics. Have a good day.